Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my December 2019 IPSY Glam Bag Plus box unboxing. Oh, these videos make me so happy and so excited. I just unboxed my December 2019 Glam Bag Ultimate box and oh my gosh, I am blown away by that box. So much value, so many exciting new products. It's definitely the best Ultimate box that I got so far. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of that, I will have that video linked down below. But that just made me even more pumped up to see what I got in this box here. So I'll give the quick little spiel on what IPSY is and what the Glam Bag Plus box is. So this is a $25 a month customized beauty subscription box, and it's customized based off of your survey that you fill out and the feedback that you give on products. I've been getting IPSY since January of this year, so I'm completing one full year of IPSY. I got the Glam Bag Plus maybe like halfway through the year. I can't really remember, but I've been getting it for a while and I've loved every box I got so far. It's been so worth the $25. And I'm subscribed to all three of the IPSY Glam bags. So I get the regular $12 a month bag, the $50 Ultimate, and the $25 Plus. And I also just subscribed to BoxyCharm. So I highly recommend subscribing to my channel if you love unboxings and if you love makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, because I will be reviewing every makeup product that I get in my boxes this month as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. And then I also started doing a full face makeup tutorial using all of my IPSY products that I got for the month. So make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss out on any of those videos. I'm really looking forward to filming those already. But so, can't wait any longer. Let's open up the box. If I forgot any information, which I'm sure I am, just leave a comment down below if you have any other questions and I will definitely get back to you. But okay, here is my Glam Bag Plus box. You always get a pamphlet that gives you the retail value of the products. The theme of the box, oh no, something spilled. That's not good. Yeah, something spilled out. No product go to waste. I don't even know what this is. I think it's coming from this one. It's my Evolui Super Oil. So I don't even know what this product is, but I'm just gonna jump ahead and read it. Oh my gosh, okay, it's a skincare super oil, retail value of $68, but it's not even in any packaging. It didn't even come sealed, but a $68 value. Well, basically it just seems like a moisturizing serum, so I am gonna rub that in on my hands, but I'm going to reach out to IPSY about that because that's a waste of my product, especially like a $68 value product. Like that is so high end for me. Like I would really cherish that. Doesn't really have a scent. Feels nice though, for very moisturizing. I like it. So hopefully IPSY will send me a replacement because this did come damaged. IPSY does have very good customer service because I did reach out one time on a shattered eyeshadow and they sent me a replacement. So if you ever get something like that, just reach out to them. In my experience, they've been really helpful. But that's a bummer. I rarely get broken products, but it happens, especially when they don't package it. Like it just came straight like this. Nothing keeping it sealed, no box, nothing. Like maybe it was already used. It feels pretty empty too. Oh, I can see it when I shake it. It's like, it's actually half gone. It's to here. Anyways, let's keep going with the unboxing. I'll grab this one here. Oh my gosh, this is a full size. This is the Tarte Double Duty Shape Tape Stay Spray Setting Spray. Oh my gosh, retail value of $25. This was one of the options to choose from, and I really wanted to choose this because I love Tarte and I love their, what is this line? The Double Duty Beauty line. But I ended up choosing a different product instead, but I'm really happy that I still ended up getting this. Oh, I love Tarte, and I cannot wait to try this out. I also got, oh, this is the product that I chose. So this is from the brand IPSY. I'm not familiar with this brand. It's the Ness Eyeshadow Quad. And what I really loved about this is that it's a magnetic palette, and I don't have a magnetic palette yet. And I have like eyeshadow singles that I want to put in one. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's like a rose gold. This has a retail value of $60. Wow. Okay. So, whoa. Here is the palette, and it comes with these 4 eyeshadows. And these are some pretty kind of like dusty tones. You get 2 mattes, 2 shimmers. This is great, like perfect travel palette. Oh, I'm so excited. And I love getting to try out new brands and learning about new brands that I hadn't heard of before. Like IPSY, I feel like every single box or glam bag that I open is a brand that I've never heard of before, which I just think is so fun. Next, oh, I even forgot that you get a bag this month. So here is the bag that it comes with. So it's cute, kind of festive. This one has a navy interior. I love using these, especially now that we're around the holidays. I love to use these as little gift bags. Like you can fit cards in them, gift cards, little makeup products. So I'll probably use most of my makeup bags as gift bags this season. And then I also got, and so here are 2 lip balms that are the Noya Organic Lip Balm Set in Peppermint and Vanilla. This is a retail value of $7.98. Very affordable for 2 lip balms. But another brand I've never heard of before, but I love organic products, so I'm really excited to try these out, especially for my super dry lips. I'm always saying how dry my lips are. Okay, and then my last product, ooh, I'm so excited about this. This was another product that was one of the options when you get to choose one product for each of your glam bags, and they show you at least like 5 options, and sometimes they're all so great and I want to choose all of them, so I just keep my fingers crossed that I'll get the products in my box even though I didn't choose them, and this was one of them. This is the Morphe Lipstick in the shade Morphe. Is that right? That's funny. It's their Mega Matte Lipstick, and I was trying to think, I don't think I've tried any Morphe products before, but I got a palette in my Glam Bag Ultimate, and I got a lipstick, and I'm so excited. Ooh, nice packaging. This has a retail value of $9. So Morphe is surprisingly affordable brand in my opinion. Like, their packaging is so nice. Like, it's on par with high-end packaging. And I haven't tried out any of the products yet, but I've heard really great things about the quality. So I'm very excited, but I really, really like that about Morphe, that they're affordable, yet great quality, great packaging. So that is everything I got. Wow, okay, if this serum hadn't spilled out, I would be blown away and so excited about this box because it pretty much has everything I want. A lip product, a really great high-end skincare product, eyeshadow, lip balm, so 2 lip products, I love lip products, and a Tarte product, which is a setting spray, which I haven't really gotten many sprays from IPSY. So I'll just recap, even though I just kind of called them all off, but this is the Morphe lipstick. I got the Tarte Shape Tape Spray, the Evolue Super Oil, the Noya Organic Lip Balm Duo, and the IPSY Ness Eyeshadow Quad. Really, really awesome products. way above my $25 cost. So this was definitely worth it to me. I can't wait to try out all of my products. Let me know in the comments down below if you got your Glam Bag Plus box and what products you got, because I always love to hear like what products people got in their boxes and how they're the same or different from mine. And also, if you got this serum, let me know if it was open in your box as well. And if you tried any of these products out, I would love to know your thoughts on them. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try out every day. And I will see you in my next video.